Here we go. We're gonna have some fun, we're gonna have some groovy food. We might have Yorkshire puddings if we're in the mood. We never get too fancy, it'll always be quite cheap. So we'll take you on a road trip in the wife's blue soft top Jeep. Today we're having ice cream, all cold and sweet and light. It's part of my 25 a day and not a vegetable in sight. I'm salivating feverishly for raspberry ripple ice cold. So come and join the bullshit with me, the Brit to go. Ooh, come on. Right. As a change to our regular programme, the director and I are going to do Dairy Queen. We're going to try 2 or 3 different flavours of them, what do you call them that they shake upside down? Blizzards. The Blizzards. So, me and him are going to go try a few flavours of Blizzards and see which we prefer. So, let's grab the wife's blue Jeep and get some grub, specifically ice cream grub. Come on, ice cream. Get the rotisserie style chicken bite salad bowl. Salad, please. And what are the seasonal blizzards?
The seasonal?
Yeah.
This should be right here.
Oh, those there.
Yeah. Where it says limited time in the middle.
Can I get a small sea salt toffee fudge blizzard? Oh, they're over there. Those them. I'll get a small pumpkin pie blizzard. That you've got them over there. And a small pecan pie blizzard, please. I'm going to try the 3 seasonals. We're going to set up outside if that's all right. We're at Dairy Queen. Dairy Queen? And guess what I ordered? Salad. I'm salivating feverishly for a salad. You see the enthusiasm just dripping away from my face. Hey, it might be good, you never know. So we are at Dairy Queen on 301 in Riverview. This is kind of, I know it's a big chain, Dairy Queen, but you got to do it. They have some new blizzards in, the new ice cream things, and anybody who knows me and my ice cream. So we thought, got to give the new ice creams a go, and I was really in the mood for a salad. Said nobody ever. So we'll check them out when they come out. Let's give them a go. All right, let's have a little shot of driving whiskey. Quick gargle with that. Let me check the old receipt. I know I've got a pumpkin spice doodah. Notice I'm completely avoiding the salad subject altogether. We got a rotisserie salad bowl, so it's a salad bowl that's going to spin around. We've got a pumpkin spice blizzard, sea salt, toffee, fudge, and a pecan pie blizzard. So seasonal. Nice thing about this season is it starts to get a little bit cooler, and we start to get all the Halloween stuff out. We're quite lucky. Above our garage, we've got a like an old attic, and so the wife was up there getting some seasonal stuff down. Dark, damp, miserable and covered in cobwebs, but she's a good mother, you know. It is what it is. So I've got the old Buccaneers jersey on today. It's game day, it's a Sunday, so we've got the football not really football, is it? They don't play it with the feet, but American football. Tampa Bay Buccaneers playing this afternoon. Let's hope for a win. I've got my Uncle Tom jersey on already. So let's have it. They're bringing the food out apparently. So dum dum dum. Looking forward to this. Splendid. Oh, look at this. Thank you. Yeah, you can put it on there if you want. I'll move it up. All right. So look at all these. Oh, these are melting. So we're gonna have to try this one quickly. Just have a. Oh, that is a pecan one. All right. Oh, no, it's not. It's a sea salt. I just got a huge taste of toffee there. But we will come back to that. Let's take a look at this. So I've never tried one of these before. So we've got the chicken, the rotisserie chicken salad. I don't know if you can see that from where you are. That actually looks pretty nice, doesn't it? I always felt that, let's get the battling irons out, get the toolkit out, the circular saw and everything else. I always felt that going to a place like this and getting a salad was like going to a brothel for a hug. Anyway, let's give this a go. Right, we'll try the salad, get ready for all the excitement. So this is rotisserie chicken salad and it has an Italian dressing on it. I have great expectations for this. It's actually very nice, very fresh. So, got tomato on here, lettuce, cheese, red onion, cabbage, lettuce and rotisserie chicken. Let's try that rotisserie chicken. Let's give this one a go. With a bit of cheese on, look at that. That is surprisingly very nice. So the chicken's not cold, it's hot, which is nice, but it's really, really tasty. Everybody's like, yeah, but what about the blizzards? Get on with the blizzards, mate. I'm going to enjoy the salad. Again, said nobody ever. Let me just try a little bit more of this salad. Bit of lettuce, bit of tomato on there, bit of cheese, bit of chicken. It don't get a dum-dum-dum-dum, but it's good. And the salad is bad for a salad. Okay, one more piece of chicken, and then we're going to do the real taste test. This is purely to make me not feel guilty. I get a salad, I can feel it dropping off already. Watch this. Now you see me, now you don't. Gone. Just like that. That chicken's delicious. Chicken's very delicious. All right. So, the one thing they do with the blizzards is, for those that have not had a blizzard before, when they bring them out, they tip them upside down and show you that nothing's coming out, that it's a solid ice cream blizzard in there. And then they put it the right way up. Out here in this heat, and then to be fair, it's not too hot today. Apart from him, it's probably, I don't know, 88 degrees, so it's not crazy hot, it's all right. But if they try tipping any of these upside down, they just go because they're melting out here. So I'm going to try and figure out which one of these is which. Now I'm looking at this and I can see pecans in there. Pecans! So let's give that a go. Big chunks of, oh, that's really nice. Big chunks of like pecans. That is really, really good. I think it's just vanilla ice cream, but now people keep saying to me, Mick, why aren't you using your spoon out of your toolkit? People keep saying to me, Mick, why aren't you using your spoon out of your toolkit? So when people ask me why I don't use a spoon out of the toolkit, I tell them to mind their own business. Nothing to do with them, nosy. No, Nosy buggers. Hey, nosy bugger. Nothing to do with you. Let's try this again. Right. Move on. That is absolutely beautiful. It's got a real soft bit of caramel in there with the pecans. So the sea saw it's salty. You need driving whiskey with it because of the salt. That's actually really nice. It's got brownie pieces in it as well, so you get the caramel, the sweetness of the caramel that's offset by the saltiness of the salt, right? And then the brownie, fudge brownie piece there going, hey, I'm here, try me, I'm here all week. That is delicious. Each one of these is only, and that's for a small blizzard. Very good. Right, I've been waiting for this one because this one is the proper seasonal bushwhacker, how's your father, hooly baloo, seasonal one, the pumpkin one. Oh goodness me, it's crunchy. That's like got graham cracker in there. It's got such a beautiful pumpkin flavour. Right. You've got to try and see how it's melting. You try and see if you can see this. I don't know if you can see that without me tipping it over. See that, how delicious, and it's even got pumpkin sprinkle on top. Beautiful. Absolutely delicious. It's hard to show those because if I tip them up, they just pour out. So let me give you a score on these. The salad, that gets a 7.5. Not bad for a salad. Salad on its own is probably going to get 5. But that rotisserie chicken is beautiful, so that gets a 7.5. The pecan ice cream, I best have another taste just to double check. That's an 8. The sea salt caramel, it's not ice cream, is it? It's a blizzard. Same thing. The sea salt caramel. I'll tell you in a minute. Just give me one last check. One more. That gets a 9.5. That is beautiful. The pumpkin is messy, gooey, crackery, going everywhere. It is a straight 10. It's an easy 10. That is delicious. So, I just wanted to say an RIP to boiled water. You will be missed. So while we continue to make a mess on this table, a big shout out and a thanks to the crew in Dairy Queen there. Let us film inside, let us film out here on the property. It's a busy Sunday lunchtime, they've got people in and out eating, so it was very kind of them to let us do this. But what's your favourite thing in Dairy Queen? I know what mine is. Blizzards. No doubt about it. Blizzards are the best thing to do. I love them. The food's actually pretty good, to be fair, but this is just an excuse to come and try 3 different blizzards and switch a camera on while we do it. Switch camera on. Let's have some blizzards. And I tell you what, these seasonal ones are delicious. They really are good. This is a pumpkin one again. I just can't get it. Everything's superb. How was the burger, Mr. Director? You had the burger. Was it good? What would you give it out of 10? 10. So the burger, which is only, gets a score of 10 out of 10. It's not bad to say it's not a burger joint. So I asked them inside, where do you go to learn to make these? Because obviously they're a piece of art. So I asked them, you know, where do you go to learn? Do you know what they told me? They go to Sunday school. Have you ever wondered why the ice cream man drives so slow? It's because he's a Sunday driver. Sunday driver. No? You can't win them all, can you? Do you know why ice cream's so bad at tennis? Because it has a soft serve. Join me for more educational ice cream jokes on abrittogo.com.uk.org.ice cream. Thank you. What you can't see behind the magic, behind the curtain, is Velcro YouTube sign. Wait, it gets better. Laminated business cards. Laminated business cards and Velcro YouTube signs. Stay classy, Tampa. Every expense spared. So this was just another excuse to have some driving whiskey. I nearly choked on that. I nearly choked on that one. So if you like our short videos or long videos, or even if you don't, please hit the subscribe button. You get notified every time we upload some more bad jokes, I guess. Thanks all for watching. Go and get some ice cream.